Hey, y'all. Welcome back to ShotGun. And that is it. It is February 15th, 2020. My birthday is February 16th, 2020. Well, 1980, more precisely, which means tomorrow I'll be 40 years old. And right now, I'm going to a race. And I'm bringing my son. So that should be interesting. If I'm even able to race or anything. So
Dad,
let's find out.
Me.
Yeah. You look all cool with your vest and whatnot.
Yes. It has pockets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Whee.
You ready to go to a race?
Yeah.
All right.
Whee.
Let's do that. Oh, and I worked 8 hours, 8.5.
Slippery socks.
I worked 8.5 hours straight last night. No break, no nothing. I just wanted that extra half hour overtime. So,
Look at this.
needless to say, I'm already borderline zombie mode. So, yay, let's go race.
Yeah. Blah.
Hi, hello. Remember me? ShotGun. That's right. Remember that race I went to? Yeah, I drove there and gave a guy a mount and walked around for a bit, and then I left. On the way there, I could barely keep my eyes open. Now it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm out driving around Beaver Dam looking for places to fly with the lights on. I just ripped up Walmart. That was pretty cool. Went live on Facebook while I was doing that. Now I'm at Beaver Dam High School, and it looks really cool. I am not going to fly a 5-inch here because there's houses right behind me, and I'm sure that could cause some annoyance. And if it seems like I'm talking really fast, it's because I am. Because I do have my Mobula here, and it is calm as hell tonight. And this place looks really cool. So I'm going to half-ass gorilla whoop it, if you can call flying in a place that's completely closed down at 3 o'clock in the morning gorilla whooping. But it's a really cool structure, and I want to hit it regardless. So I'm going to see what I can do with the Mobula before the cops come, because this can't not look suspicious. All right, goodbye.
Oh my, what a wretched life. I was born on the day that my poor mama died. I was cut from her belly with a Stanley knife. My daddy did a jig with a drunk midwife. Who's that yonder all in flames, dragging behind him a sack of chains? Who's that yonder all in flames? Well, up jumped the devil and he staked his claim on me. Start, doomed to play the villain's part. I was the baddest Johnny in the apple cart. My blood was blacker than the chambers of the dead nun's heart. Who's that milling around the courthouse steps? Nail on my face to the hitching fence. Who's that milling around the courthouse steps? Up jumped the devil and off we crept. Oh no, where could I go with my hump of trouble and
God, I want to dive that Menard sign so bad. So scary though. Oh man, those are big openings though. Oh, it's scary. I don't want to break my fucking new hero 8 yet. Ah! No, yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, shit. That was not pretty at all, but we'll go back for a little redemption. Oh, that was better. That was better. God damn, that is Pucker here 10.5. Boy, am I glad I turned the GoPro on for this one. Perfect. Oh yeah, bitches. Woo. Yeah, this was the right way to start out my 40s, for sure. This is a good idea.
Down we go, 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 down we
Definitely not getting the longest run time in the cold though. Batteries are not liking it pretty quick. Can I go through the shopping cart? I don't want to have to get out of my car. Oh! Oh yeah. All right. That's it. Whew. That was fun. Hyper stop start. Oh yeah, that's the stupid timer I keep forgetting to turn off on my freaking on my transmitter. It's timer stop, timer start, timer start, timer stop. I forgot all about that. I've been meaning to turn that off for I don't know, about 7 months now. I don't even hear it anymore. That's how programmed my brain is to it. I don't even hear it anymore. That is hilarious.